In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Grammarly extension to Mozilla Firefox on desktop. Whether you're an avid writer, a student, or just keen on perfecting your emails, Grammarly is an excellent tool to help polish your writing by providing grammar and spell check support. So, let's walk through the straightforward process of adding this valuable extension to your Firefox browser. First things first, open up Firefox on your desktop. Make sure it's the most recent version to ensure compatibility with the newest extensions. Now, you're going to visit the Firefox add-ons site. Once there, type Grammarly, AI Writing and Grammar Checker into the search bar. Alternatively, if you want to go directly to the place where you can add Grammarly, navigate to the official Grammarly site's browser page and you'll find an option that says Install Now, Firefox. Click on that, and you'll be redirected to the correct Firefox add-on page. Now that you've arrived at the Grammarly add-on page, you'll see an Add to Firefox button. This is your cue to proceed by clicking it. Once you do that, a dialog box will appear, asking for your permission. This is standard procedure, as the extension requires access to your data on all websites to function effectively. So, review the permissions and, if you're comfortable, click Add. This action will install the extension onto your Firefox browser. After the installation is complete, you should notice a new icon resembling a green Grammarly logo in your toolbar. This icon is your gateway to all Grammarly's features. If you don't immediately spot it there, don't worry. Sometimes it can be hiding. In such cases, look for the puzzle piece icon, which represents the extensions menu. By clicking on that, you can find the Grammarly extension in the list and pin it to your toolbar for easy access. With the Grammarly icon now visible, give it a click. It will prompt you to either sign in to an existing account or create a new free Grammarly account. Whichever you choose, once you're logged in, Grammarly will start working its magic across any supported writing field you encounter while browsing with Firefox. This means that every time you're drafting an email, writing a blog post, or even just jotting down a quick note, Grammarly will be there to suggest improvements and help you make sure every word counts. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful enhancement to your browsing experience. With grammar assistance now integrated into your Firefox browser, effective and polished communication is just a few keystrokes away. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.